Puppies love tight spaces for security. This little guy booked the deluxe daddy.
Bye.
Moo. Oh yeah.
No chasing, no charging, just silent negotiation.
Oh my gosh! Look how frisky he is. What is he doing?
Да, плавала, держалась долго, да?
Oh, kiss. Oh, kiss.
It's hard to tame chickens. This girl did a great job.
Chachibiki Mabo.
Even disability couldn't hold this little paw from jumping and cuddling when he could see his mother again.
Your boyfriend and the cat he used to hate. Timber the cat was found exactly 1 month after campfire in Paradise, California. Campfire burned everything they had, but couldn't stop them from hoping and loving their cat. He likes them both to be clean.
From now on, you and I are one. You shall not get out of my arms.
TV shows will no longer be attractive when there's this fur coat next to you.
Whoa. Who's shaking the fish?
Go, 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 go.
In need whenever you can. Seems to stop when you hug a sloth.
Oh, big hug. Oh. Big hug.
Nobody wants real violence. They just want to win the argument.
Trooper, where you at? Here, Trooper. Do you want a treat?
No one can resist pretty girls, even cats.
Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi, 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 Fendi. Greg, bounce like this. Like you're punching it. Yeah, 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 yeah. There you go.
size doesn't cancel out the need for comfort and connection.
Fall for the owner's friend as well. This is a proof that if you love a dog, they will love you back unconditionally.
Charlotte! Charlotte!
I know, babe.
The moment is priceless. The boy has a new little brother. So cute. I'd sometimes want to be petted like a cat.
Was hast du an deinem...
Oh, baby Fox is walking. I think he's gonna make it. Oh, all I needed was some...
Great to always have someone by your side when you're going through a hard time.
All the way up, give me a hug. Oh.
Моя дача! Дача! Achievement unlocked for Doggo. From third wheel to the legal partner. Big brother to the rescue. Even the chicken knows who the real boss is.
Dogs are very quick in catching humans' emotions. As long as you're gentle, they will be too.
Oh, so much. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, I have to keep...
Dogs are as sweet as a morning coffee.
Mom, I would like you to give me the warmest hug ever.
Yeah?
Oh, you're not Timmy.
No one can't help laughing when getting a kiss from an elephant.
Oh, mounted, side control, going for the, well, biting's not allowed, but here at Single Vision it is. We're allowed to bite here, we have teeth, we bite.
No damage, just pure chaos. They really said, let's fight, but make it cute.
What are you doing? What is that?
Did you do it? Did you? Did you pee on my floor?
Does this cat or his wife love him most? What do you think?
As human, as dog, they're the same size.
Hey, check me out. I'm photobombing this random family. Look at this.
The walk isn't over until he says it's over. Currently, his schedule says stay.
Even though they're strangers, animals can still feel who love them.
That's it.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, babe, this is the cutest.
This family's dog ran away during the Canada Day fireworks. It was lost for 7 days. A kind man took it to an animal care center after nearly hitting it on the highway. That, Their reunion took place. Everyone was in tears when they met again.
Size doesn't matter when Bonnie's got that kind of loyalty.
Okay.
You've had quite a time. Kitty, can you believe it?
I know.
Cats do have 9 lives, don't they?
Human close.
No chasing, no charging, just silent negotiation.
Are you dead serious, bro? How? There's no way.
Oh, Scheiße.
Market sovereignty.
Kissing.
Come back mode in a puppy.